This isn't gonna end well, but let's remove the RAM from a running PC. So this is obviously my Dell Optiplex. And today I'm doing something pretty risky, removing the RAM while the PC is running Windows and everything. So let's just hope everything goes well and my PC doesn't break because I can't buy a new one. All right, the PC's on, I have located the RAM, so let's just go ahead and remove it. First stick coming out, and there's no blue screen or anything, but it's just completely unresponsive. As you can see, nothing is happening. I just went ahead and removed all the RAM and the PC is still frozen. So yeah, that was pretty uneventful. Honestly, I'm really surprised that we didn't even get a blue screen. What should I do with this PC next?